So, remember 2 weeks ago? The backpack is back.
Don't leave me now. I need my bag, okay?
It's finally back. The backpack is back. But right now, Christmas is just around the corner, and with the season already being so expensive, why not save some stress and money by making your own decorations? Here to show us some things we can make ourselves is Faye Wynne-Smith, founder and editor-in-chief of Health, Home and Garden magazine. Good morning. So we can call her Faye. So
Yes, we'll call her Auntie Faye this morning. Everybody have an Auntie Faye.
Or Auntie Joy. She says she named Faye and Joy.
My word.
So
what do we have here? Let's start from this side.
All right. This is, you know these things, right? You know this
Banana
doing?
leaf.
I don't know this.
This is heliconia, and it's dried. It's normally a hanging. It's normally,
normally
red and yellow, right? Oh. And they dry very well. They stay in shape, but they tend to change color.
All right, and this right
So
here.
This is from the palm. This is from the palm. So I just spray them.
And what's this?
That's also from the palm, the palm flower.
And you just spray
Right.
it gold,
Spray
and it's a
them,
wonderful
or
thing
gold,
to
or
feature
white, or silver, or any color you want to.
All right, and we're talking about this one now.
Okay, and this one is, as you can see, it's a wine glass turned upside down, and we just buy the
Ornament.
Christmas ornaments and put it with it.
Hey, I tell you one thing,
You
you
know.
know. Jamaicans, we are the most creative people on
All
this
right,
planet.
this one is special.
Yes, this is using our ackee as the ornament.
I love
we
it.
mix it in.
Centerpiece.
We don't
But
have to.
I have a
but-
question though.
Yeah.
What when the ackee spoil?
No, you're just gonna
just
do
for the
that
day.
for the day.
For the
That
day.
could
And then
be
you
this,
cook it for breakfast and
Right,
Eat
right.
ackee.
This could actually be your centerpiece.
'Cause we don't play
on the
hockey.
table.
We eat
This could be the centerpiece on
For
the
Christmas
table.
dinner.
Right, for dinner, or it could be on the coffee table or on a sideboard. It doesn't have to be round in shape. You could actually put it on a rectangular
Yeah.
tray as well.
Did you come up with this like all by yourself?
Yes, this one. I love akis. I just love the look of akis.
And it's very cultural too.
Yeah,
You know, it's to use
right,
our own. We
yeah.
don't necessarily have
They're
fir
actually-
trees and all sorts of stuff,
Yeah.
but we do have akis.
They look like ornaments.
Yeah, they
Speaking
do.
of
Yeah.
something that we do have and dinner, the breadfruit
My-
placemat.
Yeah, my favorite leaves, breadfruit.
You
I
want
think they're
breadfruit?
just fabulous.
You know what I'd use too? Like banana leaves. But
Banana leaves would be
Yeah.
good too, but you might run the risk of stain. And they're bigger. But banana leaf could be used, say, on a buffet table.
This is
a
very
long
pretty.
banana.
I
Right.
love that.
should I come a broke for this Christmas?
Be a breadfruit. People want to see the breadfruit tree start getting red. I don't
Be a
know why.
breadfruit tree.
So this is just a one-day placemat,
Okay.
which
Definitely.
makes it more interesting and
It's
fun
very
at the dinner
nice.
table.
Yeah.
And you had the dry one and the green
The
one.
dry one and the green one,
Texture,
just for
play.
texture and color
Yeah.
and interest.
And of course,
Of course,
your table cards.
I think it's, the name cards add a little something special. I mean, we all know our names, but if you can actually, if you have the name there, it makes
Yes,
it a little bit
nice.
more
You know what
special.
you know where I put that? Right in front of my food. So nobody troubles my food.
Everybody
Okay,
are gonna
well,
get
we
a
have
name
your
card.
name as
Yeah,
well.
man. Oh.
Okay, to this pillar that I've fallen in love with, I've
Okay.
been hugging all morning.
Yeah, these are just pillars done in Christmas fabric.
Sure, so they're throw pillows for
Right,
your couch.
and you know, it would be the regular pillows that you have underneath, and you just
put
cover
a-
them for
Very nice.
Christmas. Throw them in your chair, and it makes a
Because
difference.
the one you feel comfortable.
Always poinsettias
Yay.
are Christmas, whether natural or good ornamentals. And a bowl filled with ornaments as well. Just throw them in. There's
and then
no
put this
special.
on the center.
On the table,
Oh,
anywhere.
This is nice.
Yeah.
These ornaments are spectacular though. I've never seen any like this. So this is very special.
They last for years when you
Yeah,
buy
they're
them.
beautiful.
I've had these for years.
Okay, so I hear so we're supposed to be
you're
making
supposed to
something
be making
now.
something now.
I'll fix this.
All right, because we don't have a lot of time.
You know, so you're mad.
I'll fix this ornament for me.
Okay. Since I don't want to burn down the place, and I
Yeah.
don't want picture of the. Could you put this on the ground for me? So
I'm
that
just
we
gonna
can
cut
talk?
this.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you.
Anything else, ma'am?
Yes.
And you know, you can just get these
the
garlands at any store that sells Christmas ornaments. I'm just gonna cut it and give you
All
one.
right, so tools that you'll need. You probably need some wire,
Wire cutter.
cutting scissors.
Yeah,
wire cutting
this
scissors?
is what I'd use in the garden.
Garden
This
scissors,
is one
actually.
for
Is it wire
you.
cutting scissors?
You're just gonna make it in a round shape. It has wires, so you can actually
Twist up.
twist it easily.
And
We'll
then
just leave this
some
one for you, just like this. This is a little
ornaments
bit bigger, but we'll leave it.
Okay.
You're just gonna keep it, double it up
Oh,
as
double
much
it.
as possible, so it looks full.
It must look fluffy.
Yeah.
So we're making mini
No,
wreaths.
mini wreaths because we don't have time to make
See,
big
see
wreaths
mine, eh?
today.
Good
Yeah,
job.
pretty good. And you can always twist it. Just lock it into shape. Twist two of them and you're gone.
Nice.
And then you can add anything to it you want to add. These have, those gonna need wires.
Alright,
so
so
I'm
we
gonna
make
give you
the
these, which
circle.
already have rings on them.
Oh, my ring.
Yeah.
Can I put it
Well,
in?
threads on them. And you just hang it. It's gonna be whimsical. But before you do that, Dwayne, you have to make sure it comes alive. So you pull them
look very alive to me.
Yes, no man.
It looks very alive.
But you want to make sure it doesn't look flat.
You have to
Oftentimes people have wreaths from for
Years
years
back.
and then they just put it up without fluffing it out. You have to do
So
that.
what
She's
else can
right.
people use like that, like at home
You can-
items to decorate?
You can add anything to it. So you add the balls. You're gonna put the ackee, but then
Yes.
that's not gonna stay unless you wire
This is
it
my
on.
today wreath.
Yeah, but you'd have to wire it on, and you know
Okay.
the twists that we have. Where are the twists? These twists.
Aha.
Yeah, you can. And then you can just stick some dried flowers. Oh, you want that in the
Yeah,
center?
man, right in the center.
Yeah.
See? Mine done.
No, you have to
sir.
add a bow.
Oh, what kind of boring
Oh,
wreath
as
that?
It's not looking bad.
As Bambino say, if I add a
Yes,
bow.
you have to add a bow. So
But bigger
here's a twist for you doing.
Yes.
Right.
Well, why on my ackee?
Eh?
The ackee
That
now go
wire
stick.
that
The
ackee
ackee now
going
go
to give you
stick.
trouble. And of course the bows, they stay tight for a long time, so you fluff these out as well.
Okay.
All right. And you just put a wire. It has
Yeah,
a
man,
wire
I want
already.
I wish I put more wire now.
Put
I
it
mean,
to
I
the
want
side or at the top or at the bottom,
want
wherever
to-
you want to put it.
I don't want to crowd my thing in.
You got the wire on
I don't know why you're troubling me and my ackee.
and it's working.
Leave me and my ackee alone.
Okay.
See,
what
this
else?
one?
I have a bowl for you.
I'm
as
done.
well. You could put
Look
it
at
at the
mine.
top. so
Right,
it-
with my ackee. Oh, wow.
Okay.
That's
that's pretty
yeah,
nice.
that's
Yay.
nice, Dwayne.
Okay.
Good
You
job.
I
have
want
a
an
wire
interior
on the top.
decorator.
Oh.
A DIY interior
If you run
decorator.
out of work,
Yeah, just come link me.
if you run out of work. So it's pretty easy, guys. I mean, if you have a glue gun and you have some wire and you have decorations, you got
because
it.
they come with a wire, you don't need the glue gun. But if you want
Okay.
to put other things on it, you could use a gun and
get
pretty
one more
much put
piece of
anything
this?
on. You want more pieces
Yeah,
of
man.
that?
So,
you need any of this?
Your ideas are in your magazine.
Yes, they have been in the magazine.
And
the
if
Health
we
Home
want
and
to,
Garden magazine.
if we want to find those ideas, we can go get a copy of the magazine and make sure that we can
Yes.
try our thing for Christmas.
Where do you
right.
get the magazine?
It's on stands all over.
She popular, you don't hear?
Yeah, but you know, this is the age of social media. and
I
everything.
know. Do you have social
Yes,
media
yes,
contacts?
we do.
Where can we find you?
Must have social media to talk about.
Where can we find you, Auntie Faye? On social
HAG
media?
magazine.
And then, oh, this is, so this look like it would be really fun if you've got
Yeah.
kids
No,
I'm
and
so
you want
proud
to
of
go
this.
through with
Yes,
this. You can-
that's right.
This is such
While
a
you're
nice-
flattening, you shouldn't flatten these down too
don't-
much.
don't.
Let them look like they're
I'm
alive.
spoiling
They're
it.
not alive,
Yeah, see?
but let them look like
They look
they're
alive.
alive.
Yeah,
Mine want some more decoration.
yeah, you're
Okay, you
some
want
life.
two more of these?
Yeah. We put down
All
like
right.
this.
It need look life in its spirit.
All right, hang this one, and you should always go for odd numbers. So I'm going to give you
3.
a third one.
Odd numbers, why is that?
It just looks more natural.
Really?
Yeah, it looks more natural than if you do even numbers. You want it at the bottom here?
I don't know, maybe I have
All right.
an OCD complex because I'm really always trying to do even numbers of everything.
Really?
Yeah, maybe
So there
it's
you
a
go.
problem I have.
There you go.
You hang that on your door.
Yeah, man, I'm actually carrying this one with me.
Yours done? It
Okay.
done doing it done already?
Founder and editor-in-chief of Health, Home and Garden magazine. We call her Auntie Faye. We call her
Auntie Faye.
That's
Faye
okay.
Winston, yeah, we call her Auntie Faye today. So
Yeah.
we switched to fashion after the break, but check me out. If you need an interior designer for the
We need an interior
DIY,
designer call Auntie Faye, I can't do it. We'll soon come back. We'll be right back, everyone.
yo, this is nice.